Welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can install Envato Element Template Kits. As after the recent update, when you go to plugins and you click on add plugin, and when you try to search for the Envato Elements plugin, here you don't see the Envato Elements plugin, and also when you go to the WordPress official plugin directory, then here you see that this plugin has been closed as of August 21 and is not available for download. So if this plugin is closed, then how we can install the Envato Element template kit? I have already created lots of videos on Envato Elements earlier, but some of these videos will not work which shows the template installation, so I thought I should create a new video explaining the latest method to install Envato Template Kit in 2025. After this update, sunsetting extensions Envato Element has closed that plugin, but there are some more plugins that you can use to install the template kit on your WordPress website. So here you can see, when you expand this, you see some more plugins that you can use. So I recommend you to use this one, template kit import by Envato. So let's try it out. So when you will search Envato Elements, you will actually see this plugin that you can use instead. So you can just click on install now, activate. Now you can download the kit. I can download this kit, download without license. So I have downloaded the kit. So now let's try to install it. Here under tools you will see this option template kit. Just go to that, and here you can see the same kind of interface that was of the previous plugin. You can upload the template kit. Now at this place some errors can occur on your end. On my end there was no error. So if any error occur, mostly it's like these two errors. So if any of these error occur, you can watch this video, and sometimes there is also unexpected error from the API call, so you can watch this video to fix it. And there is also unexpected error part 2 video which you can see as well. So if any error occur, don't worry, just check out this playlist and you will find the related video to fix the error. Now let's go back to the website, and here we will have to click on install requirements, install above requirements. Close it, and now you can import any page. First you will have to click on import template for the global kit styles, and then you can import the home page. So home template is imported, but we have to create the home page now. I will tell you how you can add the home page, and you can do the same thing for the other pages as well. I will also show you how you can add the header and footer, so if you want you can check out that as well. Now go to pages, click on add page. Here you can write the page title. Click on edit with Elementor. As we have already imported the template, now it will see in the Elementor templates over here. Here you can see home. I will click on insert, apply, publish the page. So let's refresh the page. Here you can see some styling is applied. Some styling is applied only. You need to set the home page as the main page of your website. So when you go to the domain, it will show. Currently you can see the home tab over here. Here you can see the design. So now let's set this page as the default page of the website. Just go to the settings and go to reading, and here click on static page and set the home page as home page. Click on save changes. Now let's visit the website, and here you can see it is set. Now we need to create the header and footer. We already have their template in our template kit, so to set them we will have to go to plugins, installed plugins. Here you can see the template kit requirement has installed this plugin, ultimate add-ons for Elementor Lite. So we need to go to settings, and here we can create the header and footer using the template kit templates. Click on create header footer. and here write the name. Just type anything like header and select header over here. Display entire website. Click on publish. Now click on edit with Elementor, and here go to Envato and view the installed kits, and here you can import the header template. Here you can see it is done. Click on publish. Now we can similarly add the footer template. For that, just go to the plugins again and open the settings for the plugin, and now create footer. Write any name for footer. I will just write footer and select the footer over here. Click on entire website, edit with Elementor. Now import the footer template. It's done as well. Click on publish. Now go to the website again, click on refresh, and here you can see you can purge the cache if any change does not appear to you. So here you can see the header is now showing and footer is showing as well. And when you have imported all of the pages template in WordPress, then you can add them to the menu. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. You can also contact me. My contact details are provided in the description of the video. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.